I tell y'all, man. Yo, look what Raymond just did, man. Look at what he just did. This dude got the whole damn Ford on the back of the truck, man. And I gotta come way over here just to rescue him. Man, don't he know that Ford weighs more than that truck than what he got? Oh, that dude right there, he is the Terminator. That dude, he destroys everything. Man, they don't fix that boom on that truck at least about 3 times already. Then this yesterday, he just snapped one of the brand new bolts they just put on there. Now I gotta try to get this off without messing up the boom or whatever he got going on. Jesus Christ, man, leave the thing alone. Why is he trying to pull something? Jesus. For what? Flip it over for what, Raymond? What the hell do you want it over for? Dude, man, Raymond, y'all, he's actually cutting the converters off. Actually, that's what he's wanting for us. What he's doing right now. That little old guy, man, he puts out a lot of work, man, for his age. He puts out a lot of work. He does. Man, what is up, everybody? Y'all check it out right here. 2017 Mercedes-Benz C300, baby. I got a few more just like this. I'm just gonna name them off as I go along, as I crush these, baby, because I'm gonna stick 5 of these suckers together. Yeah, y'all heard me right, 5. So yeah, I did do a few walk-arounds on a few of these right here, because there's one specifically one that I've been waiting to crush for a very long time, and I finally got that opportunity to get that baby into. Finally got that opportunity. Come on now. And here we got right here, we got the 2016 Mercedes-Benz C-Class Hybrid. These suckers are stripped. I don't know what it is, y'all, but my crusher, man, she sure love munching on these Mercedes-Benz's and BMWs. Man, she's love chewing on them. Boy, it's like she got a fetish for them or something. Boy. Then got this one right here. This one here is the 2015 Mercedes-Benz C300 4MATIC. Look at that. That color right there is beautiful. Man, that's a beautiful color. I hate it when they take the gas tanks out the bottom of these damn things, then you try to go pick them up. It's like they want to go wherever the hell they want to go now. Yeah, and see, a lot of these cars here too, man, I had took a lot of parts off of them already. I got the instrument clutch to a few of these now. And then a few of them didn't have the instrument clutch too. One thing I can say, man, some of these Mercedes-Benz's, boy, they showed we got some hard-ass door jams. I mean, they really, really do. And then my favorite is right here. As soon as I can pick this baby up, if she let me pick her up. There we go right there. 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLA 254 Matic. Hatchback on top of that. And I took the hatchback off that baby too. And the damn instrument clutch. I'm not letting that pass me by. I'm not letting that pass me by. We're gonna see. So I know somebody's gonna be a pain in the ass trying to get up off in there. But we'll get it. We'll get it like I always do. I make everything fit. Or can I make it fit? Okay, let's try this one more time. Let's try this again. This is really, really rough. I tell you, boy, sometimes it's a pain in the ass with this Mercedes, man. I tell you, man, some of these damn Mercedes, they are pretty damn tough. Some of them do not want to go in. Just take it from experience. Oh, God damn it. Get your ass up off in there. Stop playing with me. I know you don't want to go, but shit, you ain't got no choice. Because G-Max said so, baby. Ooh, man, some of these suckers here is tough, baby. They tough. Man, and it's starting to heat up outside, too. Woo, man. Tell you, boy, tell you. Because this morning when I did the walk around the cars, it was pretty damn cool, man. I mean, pretty cool. And then all of a sudden, it's just heated up to like the 70s in just a matter of minutes. It's like, are you serious, man? I want to know if I could get all 5 of them off in here. We finna find out and see, y'all. We about to find out and see. So I'm gonna go ahead and preview this one right quick. Go ahead and probably push this one down and see, because it's gonna be the challenge right here. This is the challenge. Tell y'all, man, I hate when shit does not go right. I hate it. I don't think it's gonna fit, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I don't think it's gonna fit. Damn. Y'all hold on, give me 1 second. Alright, y'all, I'm back. I had to get out and crush that baby by hand, because it was still too high. But this right here should be perfect right here. This should do it right here. Boy, this is gonna be a pretty tall bundle right here. Man, it's gonna be a pretty tall damn bundle. Oh my God, I hate when that happens there. Let's see how that baby really gonna look with everything all down. Ooh, I ain't gonna worry about a jog right now. I'll do that later, after I finish all this right here. We ain't gonna jog it right now, baby. Go ahead and go up and down flat. There we go right there, guys. There we go right there. Oh, sorry, guys. The white one right here was a 2020 Nissan Altima. My bad, guys. I totally forgot about that one right there. Totally forgot.